What's up, guys? Daryl from Smart Shooters, and today we got the FN 509C Tactical. This is the compact FN. Let's talk about it. Now, the number one question I always want to ask is, why don't we see more FNs out there? I don't see as much content. I see content from the influencers, but I don't see these from the everyday users as much. Part of that is the price tag, right? It's a pretty hefty price tag to get into FN. FN is kind of the creme de la creme of firearms in some regards, especially when it comes to long guns. They're notorious for the SCAR, notorious for the 249 SAW, and some others. So FN is definitely a powerhouse in the firearm industry. The 509 Tactical is like their 509C, but it's got all the tactical things. It's got Trijicon suppressor height sights. It's got a threaded barrel. This one was a trade-in to my FFL, so it came with a Holosun 407C red dot and the Streamlight TLR 7A. It came with 12 round and 10 round magazines and a 24 round magazine, which is really nice. This actually, when I look at all the concealed carry style handguns out there, I think this is really a viable option. There's only one thing that stops me from considering carrying an FN, and that is this trigger. This trigger is heavy as elephant ankles. Let's do a dry fire. I'll clear this so we all know it's clear. All right. Now, let me show you guys. Focus up, show you that trigger press. Go, go, go. Kind of a wall, still going. Still going. There it goes. It finally goes. And it's very spongy and it's not very nice. It's not clean at all. And then go. Come on, reset. It's still going. There we go. Now it finally resets. Yeah. I'm not a fan of the trigger whatsoever. But this is a nice quality firearm. I mean, the texturing is there. Don't get me wrong. If it was me, I would probably do the regular 509. I wouldn't do the compact because this compact is a little bit hard for me to grip. Now with the 12 round extension, because the 12 round is slightly longer than the 10 round, at least it feels that way in my hand, I would be able to at least grab it. But there's not enough purchase on the gun for me. Add in the fact that this trigger is molasses juice, and it would be a hard pass for me. But what do you guys think about the FN 509C Tactical? Let me know in the comments if you carry an FN, and if so, sheesh, the wind just started blowing out of nowhere. Let me know in the comments if you carry an FN, and if so, what do you think about this trigger? Let me know. I know a lot of people tell me already they swap them out for Apex triggers. I want to hear from you. Comment below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Quick video today just to see what you guys think about the FN 509C Tactical. See y'all next video. Peace. Oh, quick disclaimer. As I stated in the video, this was a trade-in to my FFL. No firearms company in the history has ever sent me a gun for review. There was one that let me borrow a gun, which was Next Level Armament, but no gun has ever sent me a gun, gave me a gun. No company's ever done that. So when you see reviews from me, they're 100% transparent, and I don't have any reason to shill you guys, to talk crazy to you guys about something that's really not that good, because nobody gives me guns. Anything you've ever seen on the Smart Shooters LLC channel, I bought with my own money. It was a trade-in to my FFL business, which is still me buying it with my own money. So, that being said, you will always get an honest opinion from me. I hate when people say they sent me stuff, we've had a long working relationship, but that won't sway my opinion. Of course, a company giving you a $2,000 gun, it's gonna sway your opinion. You're not gonna tell them it's so. Anyways, we could debate that all day. Back to the video.